Transparent clean floor. Deep cleaning, transparent surfaces, super satisfying clean with me. Welcome back to another deep cleaning session. Today, we are focusing on one of the most satisfying tasks: deep cleaning, transparent floors and surfaces. Whether it's glass flooring, acrylic panels, or high shine tiles, nothing compares to the feeling of watching dirt vanish and clarity return. If you love Clean With Me content, this script will take you step by step through a full cleaning routine that transforms cloudy, smudged surfaces into spotless reflections of light. Transparent floors and surfaces can elevate the beauty of any space. They reflect light, make rooms look larger, and add elegance to homes and businesses. But when dirt, dust, and smudges settle in, they quickly lose their appeal. That's why deep cleaning is so important. In this session, I'll walk you through the entire process of restoring shine, from gathering the right tools to finishing with a streak-free polish. Stay tuned until the end because the transformation is incredibly satisfying. Step 1. Preparing for the clean. Before starting, make sure you have all your cleaning supplies ready: a microfiber mop and microfiber cloths. A spray bottle with glass-safe cleaning solution or vinegar water. Mix a bucket with warm, soapy water. A squeegee for streak-free results. A soft scrub brush for stubborn spots. Preparation is key. Having everything within reach will keep the process smooth and uninterrupted. Step 2. Removing loose dust and debris. The first step in any deep cleaning process is to remove surface dirt. Transparent floors collect dust faster than regular ones because every particle shows up. I start with a dry microfiber mop, sweeping gently across the floor to pick up dust and loose debris. If you skip this step, dirt can grind into the surface when you apply liquid, leaving scratches. Take your time and make sure corners and edges are covered. Step 3. Applying the cleaning solution. Once the floor is free of dust, it's time for the real magic. Spray your cleaning solution evenly across the transparent surface. If you're working with a large glass or acrylic floor, divide the area into sections. A vinegar water mix works wonders here because it cuts through grime without leaving residue. For a more fragrant finish, add a few drops of essential oil like lemon or lavender. Step 4. Gentle scrubbing. Use a soft bristle brush or microfiber cloth to scrub the floor gently. Focus on high traffic areas where footprints, spills, or sticky marks build up. Transparent floors highlight every imperfection, so this step really makes a difference. The scrubbing should be firm but controlled. You don't want to scratch the surface, especially if it's acrylic or tempered glass. For tile with transparent polish, scrubbing helps remove any stubborn buildup in the grout lines too. Step 5. Mop and rinse. After scrubbing, dip your microfiber mop into warm, soapy water and wring it out well. Mop the floor section by section, lifting away loosened dirt and leftover cleaner. Then, go over the floor again with plain water to rinse off any soapy residue. This step prevents streaks and makes the surface shine more clearly. Step 6. Squeegee for perfection. Here's where the transformation gets really satisfying. Use a squeegee to glide smoothly across the floor, pulling away excess water and cleaner. Start at one side and work your way across, overlapping each stroke slightly. The water disappears in neat lines, leaving behind a crystal clear surface. Watching dirt vanish with each pass is what makes deep cleaning so rewarding. Step 7. Polishing for the final shine. Take a dry microfiber cloth and buff the floor gently. This final touch removes any streaks and gives the surface a glossy, mirror-like finish. At this stage, transparent floors look their absolute best: bright, reflective, and flawless. Maintenance tips for transparent floors: deep cleaning doesn't need to be done daily, but consistent maintenance keeps surfaces clear longer. Here are some quick tips. Sweep or dust daily with a microfiber mop. Clean spills immediately to prevent staining. Use rugs or mats in high-traffic areas to reduce dirt buildup. Keep a small spray bottle with cleaner handy for quick touch-ups. The satisfaction of clarity restored. Few cleaning tasks are as visually rewarding as working on transparent surfaces. The before and after contrast is dramatic. What starts as dull, streaked flooring ends with a floor so clear it feels invisible. The best part? Transparent floors reflect not just the light, but also the effort you've put into caring for your space. Conclusion: deep cleaning transparent floors may take effort, but the results are worth it every time. From preparation to polishing, every step plays a role in creating that crystal clear finish. Whether you're cleaning glass tiles, acrylic flooring, or any reflective surface, the transformation is both practical and deeply satisfying. So grab your tools, put on some music, and clean with me. Because nothing feels better than walking on a floor that looks as pure and flawless as glass.